along the sides of the pages in our Siddur?
Yes. So there is no problem even in a Chumash, like when you learn in any holy book, if you like your notes, your summary, like your personal example, like how you want to remember this concept, there is no problem whatsoever. It's not considered to disrespect to the. I mean, you write in the words of the Torah, or for example, some people like the name of the sick people. I mean, to write in the Siddur, I would not advise, because in a sense that you're saying that these people should be Chas v'Shalom sick permanently. So like I would say that on a piece of paper somewhere, and put this paper into my Siddur. Like I mean, I remember all of the sick people, and not of me, but everybody. Remember, I Gabbai from my shul, like when we say like sick people, he probably mentioned, like he speaks very fast, maybe 30, 40, 50 people. I don't know how many. A lot. Baruch Hashem, he's a very holy man, right? But otherwise, if you need to make yourself notes, to say this, not to say that, or like to stress like on this syllable, not on that syllable, there is no problem. You can write and see that. Okay.